somewhere. We went into a store and they had Christmas stuff out there. Holy crap. Man, let the thing get here first.
Oh yeah. I bet right today was the next one.
That's right, you gotta get on it and stay on it, man, just like she likes it, no doubt about it, and I'm getting up.
2 weeks ago.
194.
Then you got Mother's Day coming up.
Yeah, right on that, no doubt about it. 473 on my...
Abundigas.
Good morning out there, TRIP5, 445 on the east side, waving.
Yeah, 445, and you're doing more waving. You jumped up in here and sat in my easy chair with me. 445, top of the weekend to you, man. You sound so kind of good as usual. 445, your 555's reading the mail.
Alright, 555, well, you keep some of them flowers for yourself, man. I'm sitting back here in my easy chair, and I heard you and a couple others out there. Hey, 555, I think you said you was on a 3-fill or something. 445 waving. Have a good day.
You're right on. 445 till we do it again.
We got a copy on 194, Chucky.
Alright, 194 jumping up and down out there, 445 on the east side, waving.
Hey, good morning, 444.
Easy Rider's gonna jump up in there and wave a hand real quick. Last sipping on my first morning cup. 445 Radio Man, have a great day.
Hey, right back. Who's that out there, Ratchet?
445 Easy Rider's waving.
Oh, Easy Rider. Well, I heard Ratchet earlier. I'm sorry, Easy Rider down there around Clovis, California. Have a good day out there, Easy Rider.
Okay, there, Radio Man. Take care. I'm back off the key.
Hey, 445. Hey, 445. I heard you getting back. I was stepping to the side. It's getting rough already this morning. Everybody's up this morning. Hey, good morning, 445. You got Ratchet, Northern Cal, this ground plane.
Hi, Ratchet out there around Northern Cal on that ground plane. You have a good DX day out there, 445. Gonna sit back here and read the mail on the east side. Hey, Ratchet, 445 Radio Man, your friend around Mississippi.
Hey, 445, you have a good morning. Number 19. I appreciate it, 445. I do appreciate it, 445. I heard someone else coming in there out of Mississippi. Good morning. Good morning time, Mississippi. You got Ratchet.
Bye-bye-bye.
They just, number there, but you got Ratchet on this ground plane. Good morning.
First one he had, that real nice black one.
Yeah.
No, they sold that a long time ago. They got about 50 or 60,000 for that old Ford.
Oh, good deal. Yeah, I thought they were still working on it, though.
No, he bought a newer one than that. And he still had it in the end there, but he wasn't doing very much to it. It was really nice and everything. It was pretty much stock, but I think that one's still in his garage.
Who's out there talking about it's in his garage? 445 being nosy.
Boy, it's getting loud. What'd you say?
Who we got out there?
Coming me up right across town.
Yeah. They're not covering me up.
Hey, how about covering me up? Who is that out there?
Who's out where?
23.
Hey, Numskull, what are you doing on the skip channel?
Got enough fire in the
Who's calling me? Numskull?
Yeah, you're the Numskull.
Hey, who you calling a Numskull out here, huh? Why is that? Why is that? You wait.
Hey, I'm not a numbskull, I'm a bonehead.
We just messing with you guys, man. Don't get up there. We just playing around. Temple.
Yeah, happy Valentine's Day. I can't handle the heat. I need to get out of the skillets, man. I gotta come up here and run with the big boys. What do you think? Get out. Hey there.
That's right.
But anyway, hey, you never mind about Valentine's
You're
Day.
pumping up and put it up, no doubt. Hey, you 445, man. You got a super file on your balls smoke out here, man. Old 555 in this great field reading the mail. Valentine's.
Alright, 555. Hey, man, go ahead and do your thing out there. 555, 445. Now sit back and listen to this talk show.
Hey, Booze Breath, go find a bowl.
Yeah, that's what I'll do. 445. I'm just back listen to them whine and cry, and you do your thing, big brother. Only if they have a bundigus. Hey, I guess I need to go to that goodie store, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. Top of the day to you out there, old 555 in this great field.
Alright, 555. I'm gonna sit back here and read this talk show out here on the Westside. Bye-bye.
Boy, that guy's always loud. I think it's 445. He usually talks to Jelly Belly and Grandpa and the other guys.
I talk to everybody that's in my radio. I'm talking to you right now, dummy.
Ah. Okay.
What'd you buy a CB radio for?
Hey, good morning, 166 out in the bayou. I think you said 166 out in the bayou. Good morning.
Dummy, I mean a knucklehead or a bonehead.
Both.
Thank you. You have a good day, too.
Yeah, you have a wonderful day. Man, it's a good day to be alive. Above ground. Temple?
How you, Bill? Yeah, I'm just
Hey, you have a good one out there, too.
drinking a cup of coffee around the pool.
You and the family out there.
You already. Very good.
No, we're listening.
Roger 4. Have a good one.
Yeah, we hear you out there, 444.
Buddy, Bill. Well, I appreciate it. You're sounding good over here on the West Coast. Nice clean audio. Nice clean audio on the West Side. Hey, buddy, Bill, I'm going to go fill up this cold cup and get it wet. You got Ratchet, Northern Cal on his ground plane. I'm stepping.
Oh, I know it's getting real busy.